you, AJ? Are you still in Subic, Pampanga, Angeles? Are you still there? AJ, are you still in Angeles, Pampanga? Are you still there? Hello. Yeah. Are you still have a house? Or just only rent the house in Angeles, Pampanga? You can see all the building here. It's so very old, not like inside. Inside pa mostly all the casino and building is new. But here in Macau City, usually you can see all old building. Actually, the bus here, you will have only and ride 3 times until you that exist hour 1 hour. Even I how many times I ride the bus, still I will exist 1 hour, so still not yet deduct the payment, another payment. So this ride I just only using $3, just not two. Even I tap 2 times, but just only cost $3. It is very cheaper the transportation here in Macau. So we're going now here because the store here this side. Before we have in my near in my place, but we don't, now we don't have. Yung kailak, che. I forget to press. I'm lucky sa body stop, but I forget to press the body stop. I said, I love che. I said I was going down. He said that is a Chinese word. Kai love che. 5 million people in the house. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to like and share this if you like this my live today.